I'm Fabio Guarini, Product Manager for Mapei's sealing and bonding line. Today, I would like to present Mapeflex MS45, a hybrid sealant and adhesive for sealing and bonding the materials most widely used in the building industry. Suitable also for damp and wet surfaces, Mapeflex MS45 is a fast-setting elastic sealant and adhesive with high mechanical properties and high elasticity that forms a strong bond with the most widely used building materials, and if necessary, it may be painted over with elastomeric paint. Mapeflex MS45 is a product formulated using hybrid polymer technology, which combines the benefits of polymer and silicon polymers while limiting their drawbacks. Mapeflex MS45 may also be applied in the presence of temporary damp or water. In this demonstration, the product is applied and then finished off partially below the waterline and partially above the waterline. Once the sealant is fully cured, both the seal below the waterline and the seal above the waterline have set perfectly, are bonded to the sides, and are elastic. Mapeflex MS45 guarantees a high level of adhesion and elasticity, even under extreme application conditions, in order to create reliable, durable seals, whatever the application and service conditions. Once Mapeflex MS45 is completely set, it forms a highly elastic seal that bonds firmly to the edges, even without the use of primer on internal and external applications and in vertical and horizontal joints. When there are particular aesthetics requirements, once it is completely set, Mapeflex MS45 may be painted over with elastomeric paint, such as Elastocolor paint or Colorita Performance. The layer of paint also adheres to the surface of the sealant and follows its movements when expanding and contracting, without flaking off or cracking.